So, okay, next tutorial. This time, I'm pretty much dressed up as just someone that's got a lot of tattoos and piercings. Yeah! I've wanted to do something like this for a very, very long time, and to be honest, inspiration just took me the other day and I decided to get a load of temporary tattoos and stick them to my body. To my knowledge, I don't think I've seen anyone do something like this, so hopefully it's okay. I can honestly tell you I had so much fun doing it because I've not used these temporary tattoos since I was about 6 years old, a very long time ago, and it just brought so many memories back. I've come a long way from tiny little smiley temporary tattoos to this. So, if you'd like to learn how to do this look, stay tuned. So, to get started, I'm going to be taking a makeup pencil. This one is a Kryolan Face liner pencil in black. It doesn't really matter too much which makeup pencil you use, as long as obviously it leaves a mark and it's easy to remove if you make a mistake. So I'm going to take my makeup pencil and start roughly tracing on the design that I want. So there we are. As you can see, it's quite rough, but we're going to neaten that up with some watercolour in a second. But for now, I just want to show you the overall design that I've gone for. Obviously, I went for an asymmetrical one because, one, I thought it'd be more interesting to have different features and different shapes to look at. And also, to be honest, doing something like this, mirror image on the other side and getting everything perfect is a bit tricky. Symmetry aside, if one tiny thing is out of place, it will throw the whole lot off. So I thought it might be more interesting to do two different designs. And you might notice this side here is actually quite similar to Mike Tyson's face tattoo because I've always loved that design. I just made it quite a bit bigger and changed a few of the shapes just to be more in keeping with this side. So now I'm going to take a black watercolour by Cameleon and I can colour in and neaten up all of these shapes. Okie dokie, so once everything is nicely filled in, it should look something like this. So then we can start work on the rest of the body. Now, to say I'm excited about this part is an understatement. I am ecstatic and I've been looking forward to this all week. I'm in my element. So my idea for this makeup sprung out of the idea of using temporary tattoos, which are something that's been around for a very, very, very long time. I have amazingly fond memories of when I was little putting 20p in one of those machines at an arcade and turning it, and then it pushes out like one littler version of this. It was always something daft, but I used to love putting them on, and the feeling is just, I don't know, it never went away. And it suddenly dawned on me the other day, why don't I just Google them and see if they're still available and if you can get them bigger? And evidently you can! You can get massive ones! How amazing is that? So these are just temporary tattoos that you literally peel off the film on the front, stick them to your skin, apply water to the underside and then peel it off, and it leaves behind this almost sticker film. And they tend to last a few days. It really depends how much you scrub it. To be honest, you could just scrub it and take it off immediately, but it does sit on your skin, and as long as you don't apply any pressure to it, it should last quite a while. So I went a tiny bit crazy and I bought quite a few because I couldn't decide, they're all so pretty. I think in the end I spent about £25 on these, and I've got quite a few designs. I'm not going to be using them all in this video. I will be using quite a few of them though. I just wanted a nice variety in different sizes just to see what I'd put where. Now, the reason I did my face in makeup as opposed to doing the rest with temporary tattoos is just because I wanted to do my own pattern that would fit my own face, and plus it's nice to do a mixture of different mediums. So my idea is to apply them across both of my arms, all across my chest, up my neck, and maybe going up my jawline and on my ears. I don't know yet, we're just going to have fun with it. So I'm going to apply these on a time lapse because otherwise it will be quite a long video, and I'll show you the designs as I use them going forward. They are gorgeous, aren't they? I'm really surprised. I will just show you this one close up because you can see the detail in some of these. They're really pretty. I would post links to where I got these, but I got them off of Amazon and eBay, and there were many different listings. So what's best really is just to go onto Amazon or eBay or any other shop like that and type in temporary tattoos, and you get so many to choose from. Yeah. So with all that said, I'm going to start sticking them to my neck, my chest, and then eventually my arms. Sorry, I've just got to stop for a second because I'm so happy right now. This is taking me so far back to when I was little, and oh my god, it's really effective. I mean, it's just so much fun. I'm gonna have so much fun doing this. Anywho, with that said, let's get back to sticking these on me. Okie dokie, so I might stop putting tattoos on now because I lost count. I could of course cover a lot more of my body, but for the purpose of this video, you get the idea. But yeah, I have overlapped quite a few of them and cut some up and put some in different places just to fit them in and whatnot. And you do kind of lose some of the patterns when you do overlap them, but overall I think they look quite effective as they are. Hopefully you like my placement of them. So then the next step is completely optional, but I'm going to be applying some eyeliner, but I'm going to kind of blend it out a little bit and try not to make it too neat. I just think the eye area needs a little bit more detail there. So I'm going to take a M.A.C Fluidline in Blacktrack, which is a cream that's safe for the waterline of your eyes. I'm going to apply that just in the waterline and just underneath my eyes, and then blend that out ever so slightly, but I'm not going to be applying it to my eyelids, just the waterline and top waterline of my eyes and ever so slightly underneath. So there we are, nothing special, not particularly neat, I just think it helps add to the look. So then the final step for this makeup, which is again quite optional, and that is to apply some fake piercings. So I went onto eBay and I bought a load of these fake ring piercings. So you can't really tell there, but they've got a little latch that pops open with a flat edge, so they're completely safe and they just look like fake piercings that I'm going to be popping in my lips and around my ears. I also got quite a few, probably one too many, of these little studs. So the idea with these little pointy studs is to apply some spirit gum to the back and then pop them around my face. I might only use a couple, I'm not sure yet. I think I might pop some just on the peaks of my eyebrows. So I'm just going to stick the points down and we'll see what we've got. Okie dokie, piercings. So as you can see, I popped in 3 hoops on the top and bottom, same on both sides. I also popped in 4 on my bottom lip. I popped on the spikes, not only on my brows, but also along my neck and collarbones. So I guess you could say they kind of act as pretend dermals. It's completely up to you if you go this far, I just think it looks really fun. So then really all that's left for me to do is to sort out my hair, and I do believe the look's finished. And there we go, that's my look, officially complete. And I can honestly say, I think I've had the most fun doing this makeup than I have done in a very long time. Just applying these fake tattoos has just really brought my childhood back. It's amazing. So aside from the relatively complicated design on the face, this is quite a simple makeup to do because these temporary tattoos can be applied wherever you like. You can choose your own design. It's just a bit of fun, really. So I'll just briefly show you some of the designs that I've got stuck down here. They are really lovely. This one in particular is gorgeous, and I love these kind of biomechanical bits as well. They're lovely. I tried to make it so the design on the face kind of trailed off into some more complicated designs, just to make it look a little bit more organic. And the arms, as you can see, are quite a few different designs that I've stuck together, so they do overlap quite a bit, but hopefully that works. And yeah, so that's my tutorial complete. I really hope you all enjoyed this look. If you did like it, please make sure to, you know the usual, like, comment, subscribe and all that jazz. And yeah, so until next time, bye fluffies!